Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, cruise control, child safety locks, trip computer, power brakes, clock, bed liner. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.